like makeup and traveling? Well, you're in the right place, because today Jocelyn has a video for you. Let's get ready for a safari in South Africa.
So on this day, lovely people, the first thing I did at 4 a.m. was put on some citronella spray just to keep the mosquitoes away. I love this stuff. And then I went in with my sunscreen, which is my Murad sunscreen that I am obsessed with. I took this stuff everywhere with me. It worked so well, and it didn't have any white cast. Murad has some of the best sunscreens on the market, hands down, and I'm obsessed with like all of them. Then I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. This shade is 15.5 deep, and I just kind of dotted it around my face in specific areas. I then went in with my Hollywood Flawless Filter. I used shade number 8. This was the only foundation I brought. I was limited on space, so I didn't really want anything too heavy. And this is the perfect lightweight complexion product. So I was really happy with it. When it came to concealer, I believe the only 3 concealers I brought were my NARS concealer, my Hourglass concealer, and my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. So I'm going in with my NARS concealer right now, and it was just really nice, very creamy, very blendable, very buildable. So it's a really fantastic concealer, and I love the color Amande. So that's kind of my go-to. And then I just blend that out, and yeah, it looks pretty. What do you guys think? So far so good. Now my favorite part is my One Size Beauty powder. I love this stuff. I put this stuff almost everywhere. We don't put it under the eyes directly, but always on the jawline, around the nose, and on the eyelids. Always. My go-to powder for my under eyes though is always going to be my Hourglass. And if I don't have my Hourglass powder, it's always going to be my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for the under eyes. And then I would say my second favorite part of my makeup is blush, because I literally put it everywhere. So on the cheeks, on the eyes, and you'll see in a minute also on the lips. So I was extremely limited on products for my lips this entire trip. Like, I left my lipstick at home. So all I had was a lip liner and nothing else. So I ended up making it work by using my lip liner and then also just using blush as like a lipstick, which you'll see in a second. It's all I had, and it worked out somewhat okay. And that is it, guys. So I put my hair up because I just was sick of it being down that morning. But yeah, after I did all of this, I ended up going for a safari ride, which you can see if you watch my previous safari videos. But I would love to know what you guys think. I ended up spraying a little bit of this Biologique Research oxygenated spray on my face, which is hydrating but not a setting spray. So it just feels good mainly. It doesn't really serve a purpose, but I hope you like it. You'll notice I was like obsessed with this citronella spray. It just really did an excellent job of keeping the bugs away. So I could not help myself. Like every chance I got, like I sprayed this on me.
So I took the bottom part of the pants off. This is how my hair's gonna look for the rest of the trip. I'm just gonna use this. I need to get some more of this. And then lip balm in here. It's like minty shea butter.
Today, I am drinking a Vlei 96, modeled after the French 75, and an espresso martini. If my night continues on like this, bad things will happen.